In this topic, we understand how correlation and granularity impact credit portfolio risk and credit VaR. Credit value at risk, or credit VaR, measures the unexpected loss in a portfolio. It is calculated as the difference between a high percentile of the loss distribution and the expected loss. In formula terms, credit VaR equals quantile of credit loss minus expected loss. Now, an important factor here is default correlation. Default correlation does not affect the expected loss, but it significantly affects the extreme losses, which drive credit VaR. If default correlation is equal to 1, it means all credits default together. In this case, there is no diversification benefit, and the entire portfolio behaves like a single large loan. On the other hand, if default correlation is 0, defaults are independent, and diversification reduces risk. The loss distribution in this case follows a binomial pattern. Let's understand this with an example. Consider a portfolio of $1 million, with a default probability of 2% and 0 recovery. When correlation is 1, the portfolio behaves like a single exposure. The expected loss is $20,000. At the 95% confidence level, the loss is 0 because default is unlikely. So, credit VaR becomes minus $20,000, indicating no unexpected loss beyond expected loss. Now, if correlation is 0 and we have 50 credits, the expected loss remains $20,000. But the 95th percentile corresponds to 3 defaults, leading to a loss of $60,000. So, credit VaR becomes $40,000. This shows how diversification still leaves some variability. Next, let's talk about granularity. Granularity means increasing the number of smaller exposures in the portfolio. As we increase the number of credits, each credit carries less weight, reducing concentration risk. For example, if we increase the number of credits to 1,000 with 0 correlation, the expected loss is still $20,000. The 95th percentile loss becomes $28,000, and credit VaR reduces to $8,000. So, the key takeaway is that higher granularity reduces credit VaR. In very large portfolios, losses tend to converge to the expected loss. To summarize, higher default correlation increases risk by removing diversification, while higher granularity reduces risk by spreading exposures. Together, these are crucial drivers of credit portfolio risk.